I hope you all keeping safe and healthy. Guys, so many ingredients. Are we gonna do some big invention or some big science experiment?
Guys, do you think we are doing one ginormous experiment with all these?
No, guys, of course not. I don't even know what experiment we could do with all of these ingredients. But I do know one thing.
Everything.
But I do know one thing. With all of these ingredients, we could do 5 separate experiments. And guys, today, welcome to the special edition of Fun with Atharv Amara. We are going to demonstrate our top 5 experiments today in this video. So, guys, they are going to be mind-boggling. These are easy experiments, very easy ingredients like baking soda, corn flour, this soap. So guys, they are balloons. So they are very simple. Vinegar. So guys, are you ready for our mind-boggling experiments? You are? That sounds like a yes to me. So guys, let's begin. So guys, our first experiment is the Skittle experiment. So what we are going to do is, Amara, let's...
Can I also do with you, please?
Yes. And just... Guys, all of these experiments you can check it out on our channel. We have done the experiment with all the explanations too. So let's put water. Okay, guys, just the effect, it will take something. Can you see the colors coming?
I can see a little of that.
Yeah. So guys,
a little blue.
yeah, let's wait for the effect to come. We'll do our next experiment. Okay, guys.
Green too.
Now for our next.
It's happening.
Yes. For our next experiment, what if I tell you, Amara, wait, guys, this is a bottle. It has some vinegar inside and food coloring, and there's just this balloon. What if I tell you that if I put this balloon straight without blowing it, there's no like air inside it, no air pump. If I straighten it up, it will blow into a balloon. Will it? What will happen?
Yeah.
Let's see. Guys, look at this.
What is happening is happening.
Wow. Guys,
Wow.
It's beautiful, right?
It looks like a rainbow.
It's come till here. It will come fully and then we
become
could
like a
see it.
rainbow.
Okay, guys? Okay? Guys, don't miss out on this experiment. Okay,
You have to
guys?
watch this.
So, guys, 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
What? Wow. But guys, did you see that? What was that coming out of this balloon?
What
You
the-
say baking soda? Well, you're right. It was baking soda.
Can I give it one more time?
Yes.
I want to hold this one.
Look, guys. Woo!
Wow.
Guys,
Look what.
look at this.
Look at it. Look at it.
Guys, how did this happen? This mind-boggling experiment. Well, when we put the baking soda that was inside the balloon and it went down, it created a chemical reaction with the baking soda. So, guys, let's keep this aside. Just look at it for the last time. Now we'll keep it aside.
Look, guys, it's not.
Guys, now look, this happened because of density and water stratifications. So guys, did those colors mix? No. Why? Because guys, let me tell you example. So if there are two twins, they look same, the age is same.
Identity.
But guys, every human being in the world has a different, like, one twin may like something, the other won't like that thing. So every human being in the world shares a different identity of it. It has its own. No, like I am the only Atharv. Like there are other Atharvs named Atharv, but there's only one Atharv. So guys,
and there's only one Amara, but there are lots of Amaras named.
yes,
But I'm the only Amara.
yes. So every human being has its own unique identity. So guys, now look. Same with these Skittles. Look,
They're just
they look same, don't they? Just look. Only the color. Same like identical twins. Ages are same. But are they same? No. Just this way. Just suppose the color is the age. The age is the same. But each has a different chemical, different liquids. So guys, that's why they all are different. So guys, isn't this just brilliant? Now, our next experiment, we are going to take this color pencil and this heavy, oh no, it's too heavy. With this color pencil, what if I tell you that I could lift this heavy thing? Can I and make it fly? Could I? Look guys, does this have any invisible wings? No, of course not. So let's begin. So guys, let's put this in and now let's lift it. Wow! Guys, look at this.
I am not holding, my brother's not holding it. Only my brother's only holding it.
Yes, guys, just look at this. This is so cool. So guys, this little pencil, I think this rice was underestimating this pencil. So the pencil proved himself and lifted this. We are done with the experiments. We did a friction experiment, a fly rice bottle. Then guys, then we did a rainbow Skittles experiment. That was beautiful, glorious. Then we did this, blowing up a balloon with baking soda and vinegar. Guys, now it comes. Now let's do the volcanic eruption. Let's add some vinegar inside. Yeah. Yay! Guys, what do you think will happen? Will it explode? Will the lava come out? And this is a fourth experiment. Will eruption happen? Will it? Or it won't? Or will it? Let's see.
Let's see. Let's mix it there.
Yes, that's it. Now let's put the next one. And next one, that's green. And guys, let's make this as colorful and beautiful as we can.
Look at this, guys. Just look like water.
Okay, now let's add some
My favorite
baking soda.
Can I put my favorite part?
Okay, Amara, can I put it? Okay, we have to put it very fast.
Yes.
So guys, we have to put some dish soap too. Always.
What? Oh, yes.
Amara, could you mix this?
Okay, sure. Done.
That's it.
Done.
Okay, now let's add the baking soda. Guys, let's do the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Guys, look what's happening.
Go fast. It's going.
Guys, look at this. Wow! Guys, just look. Isn't it just so foamy, guys? So foamy, so frothy. It's just brilliant, isn't it? Wow. Isn't it brilliant? Look. Guys, it's so foamy. Frothy. So guys, now guys, look. It erupted. Lava came out. So guys, now, for the next experiment, could we make some Oobleck? DIY slime. So let's begin. What if I tell you, without any borax, glue, you're all out of them, right? Because during this pandemic, you just made and made. Now you're out. Well, doesn't matter. Me and Amara are going to show how to make DIY slime with just 2 ingredients, corn flour and water. So guys, let's begin.
If you want to make it colorful, you can just use food coloring.
Yes, we have some here. So guys, first what we do is we pour everything on in this.
All the corn flour you have in the tray or bowl.
Add.
Now next, after that, you have to put water.
After that, let's put some water.
Then you just put that food coloring. Here. Look guys.
So guys, let's just mix.
Mix. I have a song called Oobleck.
Yes, Amara, tell.
Oobleck is fun. Oobleck is so fun. Oobleck is so fun. Fun.
So guys, look, Amara, superb song, Amara. Guys, look, our DIY slime is done. But look, when I just leave it, it's becoming gentle and just flowing. But guys, when I'm punching it, it's solid. But what I'm reacting, I'm hitting it, it's trying to defend itself. And guys, when I'm being gentle, it's
stronger.
and when I put my hand gently, it's being gentle to me and it's flowing. So guys, do you know the 3 matters? Gas, liquid, solid. Do you know any object that has liquid and solid? You don't? Well, you do. Here is Oobleck, guys. Here you go. So guys, look, I take it in my hand.
It looks like chocolate melting.
So guys, look, when I'm at least like shaking it, pressing it, look, it's solid. But then when I just leave it, just like water, it's flowing, guys. So now, did you understand this? Yes, you did. Wow, that's brilliant, isn't it, guys? So you should try experiments we did. Well, we did the amazing rainbow Skittles experiment. The second one was the flying rice bottle. The third one was, well, blowing up a balloon with vinegar and baking soda. That was just brilliant, phenomenal. Third one was a volcanic eruption. Fourth one was a volcanic eruption. The fifth, the last one was
This Oobleck.
the legendary Oobleck, aka DIY slime.
Oobleck.
So guys, here is your Oobleck, guys. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Guys, so guys, do this, okay guys, this is just brilliant.
It's stupid.
If you want to know the explanation of these experiments, the link is down below. Check it out, and all these 5 experiments, there'll be all the explanation, fun facts too. So guys, I hope you enjoyed, and this Fun with Atharv Amara special edition will definitely come back in the next video. Guys, we are going to do a phenomenal experiment next video too.
If you want to put the explanation, go in Atharv Amara's channel, or you can check down below.
Yes. So guys, I hope you enjoyed.
Bye.
Like and subscribe. Bye.